Well, here we are at Snoqualmie Falls, a couple days after those torrential rains completely jammed all northwest rivers with floodwater. And let's see how close we can get here. As you can see, there's all kinds of people here. It's just a weekday, but this is something that only happens once every few years, and it's hard not to miss. I'm behind the lights here, but if I can get around, you'll see how massive the falls is right now. It's never like this, but it is a record fall right now. It's a lot of water. Destination. There's the Salish Lodge. Here's 4 stars. They got a killer breakfast. And I guess that about wraps it up. Just went on Falls. See you next time.